Hi everyone and welcome back to Sewing for Hobby. You may call me Lisa, and today I want to share you with a new haul. I went to my cousin's store for the first time in a long time to see what was going on, and she gave me all these free cross earrings to turn into keychains and necklace. So here you have a cross. This is how much she was selling it for, but I got it for free, so thank you, cousin, for giving me a chance to turn this into a keychain to necklace. So today I'm going to do a couple of it on camera, how to take the jump ring off and the earring. First we take it out of the packet. And if you want to, we can save the earrings for another project. You can always save things. First, we take the back. We take this little guy. I don't know if you can see it, but we take the ear hook off the back. First, take that back off. Slide that out. See the jump ring? Alright, let's take it off. You need your roundness pliers, and you need your flatness pliers. Alright, let's see if I can do this. Hold it like that. And you twist. You can save the jump rings, or you can, and it is just take it out. Might be a little struggle first, but we got it out. And there you have it. That's what the charm. This would be either a necklace or a keychain. So we'll do another one for you. Oops. I do have a video on how to open up the jump rings. So if you guys want to go check that one out, you may search my videos to see what else I have out there. And search the older content and to find out what interests you. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you so much for subscribing and keeping up with my latest video adventures and entertainment. And these videos are, you know, my way of how nobody taught me how to do any of this. I learned everything online. So if you want to learn how to do this, just stick to the, you know, do what I do and you'll get the same results. So taking it off and then turning it into a necklace or a keychain is a good idea. So that's all you have it. I'm only going to do 2 on here because I have to do this one and this one. And I got all of this right here, as you can see. So I got my work cut out for me. And I'm glad my cousin gave me this opportunity to make it. It'll take some time. I say about a month or less. I don't know. I'll try to get it before the next holidays are coming. And yeah, that's about it. So if you want to save the ear hook, you can. These are, really good. Finding these can be really hard in the stores. And you can save these for other projects. You can also save the jump rings for other projects too if you like. And yeah, that was it. So we did two, so now we have two. And we can make a keychain or necklace. For a keychain, you'll need these. So I had them in my stash for a long time, and I ordered some more because I was running low. And keychains are a good way to sell for $1, $1.99, or even sometimes $2.99 at the most. You don't want to go over than that. But it depends on what type of charm you're getting, like me. Thank you to my cousin if she's watching. And, you know, I have these charms now to um, make into a keychain or a necklace. We're going to make the Jamaican necklace, the rustic type. And I'm going to be making keychain, one of each. That's what I'll do for this project. To open it, you need a round nose and a flat nose. So today's adventure was about opening up this guy from this guy. That's what we did today. Today's lesson is about opening up the jump ring and the earring hook. I thought I'd make a fun tutorial to do. As you can see, we got the ear hook out of the wire. We can save these for other projects because they can be quite costly. And if you don't have any money, it'd be pretty hard to get it. So, yeah, but anyway, I'm doing all right. And this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was simple. And if you want to learn how to do other stuff, just stay tuned for other videos. And check out my eBay store page, and I'll leave it in the description down below. And I'll leave my blogspot.com, sewingforhobby.blogspot.com, and my eBay store page. And I'll leave those links down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching. And sorry for the mess on my table. It's just that this is what it looks like when you're busy crafting and are hard at work to make stuff. And to sell it, and hopefully we can sell some stuff, not let it sit there. And I hope, economy will do a lot better than it is, for right now. So help me out, guys, and watch the videos and stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, everybody.